Our company, VB Matrix, is focusing on backlight design and color engine design for LCD display or OLED display to recover the loss of the color. And we designed this 31.5 inch 4K, including 1024 area local dimming backlight. And the peak brightness will be 1500 to 0.03. So we'll present you two chapters. Now we are going to the chapter 1. Actually, we accomplished this design in 2019. Due to COVID-19, everything is shut down. So we postponed the design and going to apply the pattern. This is the pattern we apply, including the driver, timing controller, and synchronization from the scaler to backlight, and also the backlight spectrum design and color conversion design into one pattern. We got the patent filing in 2020 and got the patent approval in 2021. This is a patent we got. And now we would like to make the real measurement because people saying that seeing is believing. Actually, it's really doable and workable in the peak brightness and very low temperature in the back cover of the metal on the backlight. And driver already embedded inside of the light bar. And driver efficiency and driver's video sync can run in very high speed, even 4 times of video stream. Including if video is 60 Hz, we can run to 240 Hz, even can run to 960 Hz. Will be very faster enough to compensate all the loss of the speed when the data transmitting from SPI to backlight. So we are preparing the notebook, sending out the HDMI and prepare the measurement equipment, color meter, CS2000 for measurement, and also a DVD player sending out HDMI with the content of HDR10 and 10 Plus. So we will present you the first chapter, the real measurement. So we are starting from full white color, 100% on, and going to RGB, seeing you all the color spacing. Then later on you can do the color calculation, what is the coverage of the Adobe DCI P3 and Red 2020. We are convincing, we are really seeing is believing things in the world. So now we're going to measurement process. Now I'm going to turn off the light and turn on the set. Now it's 100% white. And please straight up the screen and I'll press the button to do the first measurement of the peak brightness in white screen. You can see is 1630 nits in the white, full white screen. Okay, then we are going to have full red. Okay, and I'll press button to measure the red. 0.6778 and 0.303 is very near to the DCI P3 peak. Of course, DCI P3 almost 0.6880, but we are almost close. Now going to green. So we measure the green. It's 0.1973 and 0.7582. We are going to measurement the blue. It's 0.148 and 0.0457. Okay, then we are going to measure only 20% of the screen. We had to step on and do the measurement in the center of the peak brightness. It's 1,588 nits in the center of the screen. In the meantime, we can measure in the corner. The corner side will be 0.03. So all those data, actually, we make one presentation file in our website. So we can share with everyone who can see our measurement result. Okay, so please present our calculation of this set. This is a 4K 1024 area HDR. So as you know, the last measurement will be 1,588 nits, but we counted 1,500 to 0.03. So actually, in the one screen still picture, in the same picture we measurement is 50,000 to 1. The panel native contrast ratio, I think, who is going to better than this set? It's already 50,000 to 1. And Adobe is 100% coverage. Of course, error ratio is all more than 100%. And DCI-P3 is nearly 98.8%. I mean, this is coverage. And Rec 2020, one set reached to 92%. This means only NTSC over 150%, your Rec 2020 will be over 92%. Of course, 709 will be over 100%. Mean this set close to 3 color spacing, and all the 3 color spacing reach to the peak standard in the world. So who is going to better? A-brand, S-brand, or Arcos? Okay, this chapter we finish it here now, and next chapter we are going to show our video quality, the real HDR content.